comfortable, get ready to do it fast.
Well, it looks like you're going up to 10.
Yeah, we're basically at 10 right now. It's just that a 10 thou undone tool.
Wow, okay, take her back down.
Oh, 7,500.
So this is 7,500?
Yep.
Okay, take her back down to, well, you can take her down to 5?
I just have to do it, I gotta tell it.
Okay, maybe 5?
Yep. Good now.
That's 5?
That's 5.
Take her down to 2.5 and then 0. How's that? So, thank you, I appreciate it. That's 2.5.
Yep.
And then 0 will be good. Or 100 or something, whatever.
Yeah, I've never done 0.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
We can outlaw this here.
Yeah.
That's 100.
Okay, cool. And then can we move her in X, Y, and Z?
Yep. Just I'm wheeling it.
That's fine.
I'm just going to do a 0 return.
That's fine. Okay, cool.
We'll do a home for X. We'll do a home for Y.
Okay. Can you move it with the wheel at all?
Okay, so here's your X. There.
You say you like the big table?
Oh. I don't know why we're getting rid of this one, to be honest with you. We should get rid of the other one.
It looks like you guys have replaced your way covers.
So the way covers?
Yeah, well that's what I call these here. Not necessarily the covers, but the way wipers is what I meant. No. The way wipers. Sorry, my bad.
Okay.
Must be my age. Okay.